Hi everyone, welcome to this session. So in today's Mathemagic hack of the day, we are going to learn how to calculate a square of any number with last digit 5. Alright, so this is the easiest hack you can have. Let us start. So before I start, I'll quickly introduce myself. My name is Ishwarya Agarwal and I am a quantitative aptitude and LRDI trainer at Unacademy. So if you go for the plus subscription of IPMAT, you get all these benefits. You have access to the classes from top educators of India. All the sessions that happen on the platform are live sessions, so you can get your doubts clarified within the class itself. Every fourth session is a doubt solving session. You have unlimited video. Even if you miss any lecture, you will have the recording of the entire lecture available to you. You have access to the full length mock test. Sectional test also happen on the platform daily. Okay, so guys, go for the subscription as soon as possible for you, because today this offer is going to end. Okay, that if you take the subscription for 1 year, you get 2 months of subscription free, and if you take the subscription for 2 years, you get 3 months of subscription free. So guys, please go for it using the code AAISH10. This will even get you 10% off the entire course fee. Okay, alright, so let us learn how to calculate the square of a number and ending with 5. Okay, so first of all, let us take a number. Let us take a number which ends with 5. For example, let us consider 35 and we have to find the square of 35. Okay, let's see. So what is step 1? So this is our step 1. Write 25 in the extreme right. Okay, so I'll write 25 in the extreme right. Okay, now what is our step 2? This is step 2. Remove the last digit 5 and separate the remaining number. Okay, now what is your number? 35. I have to remove this 5, and which digit is remaining? Just 3. So I'll just take 3 and move forward. Okay, let's see what is step 3. Third and the last step. Multiplying the remaining number with the next number that comes after it. Okay, so the remaining number in this case is 3. Okay, the next number which comes after it is 4. So just multiply 3 into 4, that is 12. And finally write 12 on the left hand side. So therefore you get the square of 35. 35 is square is nothing but 1225. Okay, easy, very easy. So let us repeat this concept again. Just write 25 on the extreme right. Take the remaining number, remove 5 from the number and take the remaining number and multiply it with the number that comes next. Okay, and keep it on the left hand side of the 25 that you have written, and you have the square of 5, right? So easy. Now let us verify this for some other numbers also. Let us practice this a bit. So let us find what is the square of 15. Okay, so what is 15 is square? So for that I write 25 on the extreme right. Now 1 and the next number after 1 is 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. Therefore square of 15 is 225. Alright, we already know this is square, so we can verify that this method is correct. Okay, let us check the square of 25. Okay, so for this also I will write 25 in the extreme right. The remaining number is 2. Multiply 2 with the next number 3. So I have 625. 625 is the square of 25. Okay, now let us check the another one, that is 65. Okay, find the square of 65. So for this also I write 25 on the extreme right. Remaining number 6. Multiply it with 7. What do you get? 42. So this will be 4225. Okay, so guys, you can do this in just 15 to 20 seconds. Okay, now let us calculate the square of 85. What is the square of 85? So for this you can write 25 on the extreme right. Take this number 8. The next number after 8 is 9, which is 72. So therefore 85 is 7225. Okay, now what is 105 is square? Now till now we have found the squares of 2-digit numbers ending with 5. Let us see how can you find the squares of 3-digit numbers ending with 5. So method will be exactly same. Okay, so here also I am going to write 25 on the extreme right. Okay, 25 is there on the extreme right. The remaining number after removing 5 is 10. The next number after 10 is 11. So 10 into 11 is 110. So keep 110 here. Okay. This is the square of 105. Alright. Let us take another number. That is 115 whole square. What is it? Write 25 on the extreme right. Now you have 11 here. What is the next number that comes after 11? It is 12. What is 11 into 12? It is 132. So write 132 here. Now the square of 115 is 13225. Okay, clear? Let's move on. Now 315 whole square. What is this number equal to? Write 25 on the extreme right. Fine. Then you have this number. The remaining number is 31. The number that comes after it is 32. So multiply 31 and 32, you get 992. Okay. So just write 992 here. So this is the square of 315. 99225. Fine. Let us take the last number which we have, 405 square. Alright. So here also just write 25 on the extreme right. Okay. Now you have this 40. The next number after 40 is 41. Multiply 40 with 41. What do you get? 4 into 1. Then 4 4s are 16. 1640. So this will be 164025. Square of 405 is 164025. Understood? Right? Such an easy mathematic hack. Alright. So now whenever you need to find the square of any number which ends with 5, whether it is a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, use this method to find the square of it. Okay. Now guys, what you should do is that take different numbers ending with 5, find their squares using this method, and then you can verify your answers using the calculator. So guys, please note that you just have to verify using calculator. Do not use calculator for calculating. Okay. All right. Okay, so this was the hack for today. So now if you guys haven't taken the IP Math Plus subscription yet, please take it for the IP Math course for 2 years. The students who are in 11th standard can go for the 2 years of subscription, the cost of which is 30,000. Okay, if you are in 12th standard, then you can go for 1 year of subscription, the price for which is 20,000. And over this fees also you can get 10% discount if you use my code AAISH10. You can even use my code to unlock my special classes on the platform. You can unlock a lot of free mock tests and quizzes that happen on the platform. Okay, so please make use of this opportunity, guys. Alright, the new batch starting from 21st of July, duration of this crash course will be for 30 days. So if you are preparing for any BBA entrance that is going to happen in 2021, so we guys will be completing the entire course for you in 30 days. So please do join this using the code. Alright. Now, for students preparing for 2022, this 1 year batch is also going to start very soon from 17th of July. So if you haven't taken the subscription yet, please do it. Okay. Now, alright, so all those students who haven't joined my Telegram group yet, so what are you guys waiting for? Please join it. This is the name of my Telegram group. The link is there in the description. Okay, join it. You get links of all my YouTube sessions, special classes sessions, even plus sessions. Okay, and even you can send me your queries on this group. Alright, so thank you everyone for watching the session. I hope you enjoyed learning this new mathematic hack, right? Now please like this video and share it with your friends and family who are also preparing for IP Math or for any other competitive exam. Quants is there in all the competitive exams, right? In most of the competitive exams, quants is there. So these hacks will be really useful for everyone. Alright, thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Be safe. Keep practicing.